Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to share a very unique platform and ad solution. But before we do, let's talk about the number one problem small businesses and entrepreneurs have: getting new eyeballs on their business and generating leads. Until now, what if you could advertise on over 1 million apps and popular networks like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Forbes, and CNN.com, just to name a few? All from one place and one app. No longer do you have to create an account on multiple social networks in order to advertise on multiple platforms. Use your phone as a virtual advertising device as you broadcast your ad up to 500 miles in every direction from the phone. You've just become a digital walking billboard. If that wasn't enough, you can switch from your phone to virtual pins. Yep, just place your virtual pin anywhere around the world on the map and broadcast your ad in every direction. Now, how cool is that? Just think of the possibilities. You could be in LA Hollywood, but advertising in New York Times Square. You could live in a small town, but advertising in a big city just by dropping a pin. It's truly as simple as that. Creating your ad is very easy with just a few clever lines of text, ad copy, and pick. You can be up and running in less than 5 minutes. Track your views and clicks right on the app and in your back office. With a guaranteed minimum 5,000 impressions a month from Royaltie, you want to make sure you have a way to track and follow with the activity. Full targeting by location and demographic collect leads and scan their social profiles right through the Royaltie provided app at no extra cost to you. Love the technology but don't have a website to promote it? No worries, Royaltie has you covered again. With the ability to create unlimited landing and capture pages with hosted URL. If that wasn't enough, Royaltie has partnered with a popular search engine which has agreed to deliver monthly leads related to your industry and directly into your Royaltie-provided capture form on your custom landing page. All activity is fully tracked and tested by Google Analytics. Just when you thought Royaltie couldn't do no more, they created an efficient and easy-to-use email autoresponder that you can link up to any one of your custom Royaltie landing pages. This means now when someone opts into your landing page, they can then put it into an automatic email sequence that you can have go out for up to 90 days. Are you a leader or have a big team and would love to share these pages you create to them as well? Well, now you can, and it's as easy as clicking share, inserting an email of the person you'd like to share with, and done. In less than 30 seconds, you can share a whole website, landing page, or funnel with your team. If you thought that was it, nope. Royaltie has a whole lineup of new features to be rolled out throughout 2019. So as you're watching this video, things could have already changed. For the better, of course. If you feel the same way and ready to get started, then click the link below and get back with the person who shared this video with you. Thanks for watching and have a Royaltie day.